Hey folks, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. I certainly am. Today I thought, you know what? Today, I'm gonna try installing Windows 95 on a computer. Is this computer here? Yeah, I don't know if you'll remember, but I basically made a video on this computer a really long time ago. I think it was in like January, so yeah, a really long time ago. Yeah, and I'm going to try installing Windows 95 on it. It should work, because it's a 386 computer, it's got 12 megabytes of RAM. Should be okay, and I'm going to try and do it, so yeah. Let's get into it. I'm going to try installing 95 on it. It should work, it should be fine. We're going to install Windows 95 on this computer, hopefully. Just start Windows, MS Start, no. Yep. Excuse me. It's holding a charge. It's not plugged in. Okay, I get it. Ow, that did not sound good. Where's the... Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What is going on? Oh my god, I thought I'd broken the floppy drive thing. Why is the phone ringing? Setup.exe. This is going to take forever, by the way, because it literally is going to take forever. For more information, see setup.txt on setup disk 1 or the Windows CD-ROM. Press enter to quit setup or escape to continue with setup. To continue, press enter. Why is it scanning an H drive? I don't have an H drive, I have a C drive. I can't believe it's taken 8 minutes and we haven't even done anything yet. We're not even in the first bit of the setup. Software license agreement. I do agree. Do I agree? You must accept. Yes, I do. I do agree, 100%. Agree me up, boys. The next 3 parts of setup are collecting information, copying files, and restarting your computer and finishing setup. Windows 95 replaces any versions of MS-DOS and Windows that are already on your computer. Lovely. Setup can save your existing MS-DOS and Windows system files. With these files, you can then install Windows 95 if necessary. This will require approximately 6 megabytes of disk space. Do you want Setup to save your existing system files in case you decide to uninstall Windows 95? Sure, why not? We'll do it. Come on, 100%. It's 100%. Oh yeah, right. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do all of it. Come on. What should we call our amazing user? We should call it Compact 95. Oh my god, I just sort of went down here, right, to move my finger, because I thought there's a trackpad here. There isn't a trackpad, there's nothing here. The mouse is there. Our company, we don't have one, so we're just gonna not have a company. Analyzing your computer setup will detect the hardware devices on your computer. You can have setup look for all hardware devices, or you can specify which devices you want setup to search for while it is analysing your computer. Do you want setup to look for all hardware devices? Yes, because I'm lazy, I'm gonna let Windows do it. This may take several minutes if there is no disk activity for a long time. Turn your computer off, then turn it back on, run setup. Oh my god. Oh no. So that if it doesn't work, they want you to turn your computer off, turn it back on, wait another 15 minutes for it to load all the files and everything, and then it wants you to go back and do it all again. Windows comes with email, fax tools, and access to online services. If you'd like to install any of these components, click the checkboxes below, then click Next to continue. All of these components will install Microsoft Exchange as their universal email client, 3.7 megabytes. I'll check all of them, thank you. I want all of them. All three. Even though I'm never going to use them, I want all of them. I want all of this, please. Accessibility. All of that, please. Accessories, I want all of it. Direct cable connection requires the following components. Adding it will also add these components. Do you want to add direct cable connection? All components are required? Yes. Disk tools, I want all of them. Backup, I want a backup, even though I'm never going to back up. All of that, all of that. Oh, of course I want it. Audio compression, yeah. Sound recorder and a volume control. Why does volume control not come as standard? I want all the 90s. I want all the 90s installed. Even volume control, which doesn't come as standard on this computer. The following network components will be installed. Windows will be set up with the following settings. If any of this information is incorrect, click the item and then click change. I don't know what any of this is. Please specify whether you want setup to create a startup disk. No, I do not want a startup disk. I want to just... Right, yes, start copying files. Yes, please. Now, please do it. No. I was going to say, if there's been a new comment on one of my videos, I'll shout you out on this video because I'm so bored that I have nothing to do. You know what, I'm going to shout just some random person out. YouTube random comment picker. Great, let's do it. Pick a random comment and I'll show you out on this video. There we are. Right. Shouting out the following person. We're shouting out you. You can't even see it. Why is it not even focusing? There we go. This random person has been selected. I'm shouting you out now. SQLEXP said, "You sound like the Cherno. Thank you." I don't know who he is, but he's probably cool. And you got a free shout out because I'm bored. Oh, he wants the next disc. What is the actual time now? Hey Siri, what is the time? Tell me the time, idiot. Hey Siri, what is the time?
It's 14:59.
Why couldn't you tell me before?
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Why didn't you tell me the time when I asked you before? Don't just turn off, idiot. Preparing to restart. Oh my god, yes please. Please restart. Setup is now trying to restart your computer. Wait. It's restarting. Okay, starting Windows 95. Okay, we're doing it. Ooh, I've never seen this thing before. Are you kidding me? Go away. Something's there. It's got that logo again. What is that logo? Type a name to identify yourself. Enter a password if you want to. If you don't enter password, you won't get this prompt again at startup. Windows 95 is now setting up your hardware. Okay, that's good. It's setting up hardware. Time zone. Why does it think I'm in Tijuana? I'm not in Tijuana, I'm in GMT 0, here we go. Dublin, Edinburgh, London, not London. Setup is finished. Configuring your system. You must restart your computer before the new settings will take effect. Click OK to restart your computer now. Ooh, that's great to see that there. Is it going to start, or is it going to go into that weird loading menu thing? Ooh, it's actually starting Windows 95. Come on. start Windows 95, come on. Ooh, we're into Windows 95, finally. To open a program, I know what to do. The compact shutdown utility, thanks. But I don't want it. Background. I want the normal one. I want the wing logo. Stitches, squares, sandstone, setup, rivets, red brick, red blocks, pinstripe, Novo logo. Oh, Nov logo. Who on earth is that? Info 10. Clouds. I want that one. Clouds. Yeah. Classic Windows 95 logo. Do I not have a sound thingy? Exit Windows? No. Anyway, that was the end of the installation of Windows 95. That took way too long. I'm definitely going to do another video on this in the future, but I'm honestly too tired to do it right now because I've been waiting so long for it to install. But yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, and whatever, and I will see you guys in the next video. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye.